Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video we'll be seeing some more frequently asked questions. I got some more interesting questions in previous videos comment section, and also you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Many people were asking about email address, so you can find email address on the channel, but if you would like to connect, you can also connect with me on LinkedIn. So there also you can ask questions, and if I see many people are asking same questions, I will try to put those questions in the and further FAQ videos, so that maximum people can be benefited from it. And if you are new here or if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. Now with that being said, let's move on to the first question. Is there any WhatsApp group for AAIC? So yeah, there are some WhatsApp groups. They are not official WhatsApp groups. They are not made by Applied AI course team. But the students have made WhatsApp groups so that they can help each other. So you can find those invitation link in the Slack group. Why the link is available only in Slack group is because to avoid some outsiders to join WhatsApp groups, because many assignments will be discussed there. So if you want to join some WhatsApp group, just search for WhatsApp groups on Slack. Most probably you will find one. I've joined one group, but it is already completely filled, so there is no way that I can invite you. Or also I won't just put those links in comment section or anywhere. So if you want to join, it's better to go and search for the WhatsApp group in Slack, so that outsiders can be avoided. It's just simple, because assignments are discussed, as I told you, assignments are discussed there, so it's not good to add outside people, as it is against the policies of Applied AI course. So with that being said, let's move on to the next question. Best time for college students to join Applied AI course. The answer for this is, if you are good with data structure and algorithms, you can go for the course. It doesn't matter when you join Applied AI course, because anyways you will be eligible for the placements, or any company will hire you once you finish your bachelor's. Or if you are master's student, you will finish your master's, then only you will be going for the job. So it doesn't matter if you are good with data structures and algorithms, you can join the Applied AI course. But also you need to consider that you will be having many curriculum activities of your college, so it's better to join Applied AI course after your external exams. So there are two types of external exams. Some colleges are having yearly exams and some colleges are having semester wise. So if you have yearly exams, it's better to join after third year. Or if you have semester wise exams, it's better to join after fifth semester. Because if you join after fifth semester, by seventh semester you will be done with your Applied AI course, and in eighth semester you will be doing your final year project. So whatever you have done as your self case study in Applied AI course, you can use that as your final year project. Or if you can't use that project as your final year project in your college, if your HOD doesn't agree for that, you have already gained so much knowledge from Applied AI course, you can make another project, so that will again help you in your final year. So that is my suggestion for when to join Applied AI course. Now let's move on to the next question. I'm good with C, C++ or any other programming language, but I don't know Python. Will I face any problem after joining Applied AI course? So the answer is yes and no. Sorry. Why you will face problem is because you won't be familiar with the syntax, and why you won't face problem is because you already know C, C++, so you know all the programming constructs, so you will catch up Python pretty quickly. So that is the thing. But if you want to just get going with the assignments from the day one, it's better to learn Python syntax, get familiar with all the Python constructs like if statements, else statements, all the basic data structures like list, tuple, dictionary. So if you get familiar with all those data structures and all the syntax of Python, you will be able to do the assignments right from the day one. Like I was very comfortable with Python, so the day I joined Applied AI course, on that day only I finished the Python mandatory assignment. So that is the thing. So that's why I had a bit of advantage, and I managed to complete. I just watched the module one, which is basically Python at 2x speed, so that if there is something which I don't know, I can learn from those videos. So I didn't totally skip those videos, but I watched it at 2x speed so that I don't miss anything. So yeah, if you learn Python well beforehand, it's gonna help you only. But if you are good with C++, you won't actually find any problem even after joining the Applied AI course. So that is my answer for this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Getting data science job in service-based company is easier. Um, it's relatively easier as compared to any machine learning based startups or any top product-based companies, because there they won't go much deeper into maths. They won't really ask you about any deeper statistics or any mathematical equation, or they won't ask you to derive anything, and they will just focus on how a particular algorithm works. So if you tell them I know logistic regression, they will just ask you how logistic regression works. If you tell them I know decision tree, they will just ask you how decision trees are formed. So they ask you just like that, but also it depends on the interviewer. But most interviewers won't ask you deeper maths, or they won't go too much deeper. But there will be somebody who just knows a good amount of stuff, so they might go deeper, and it also depends on luck. But if we talk about majority of the interviewers in service-based companies, they won't ask you tough questions. They will just focus on how the algorithm works. So yes, it is relatively easier. But if you are thinking that I will just know the names of it and some full forms and some basic definitions, I will crack the interview. So it's not exactly like that. And also, why I'm saying is, during my training time, there was one student. He was trained in Java, but he got a project in machine learning. So you see, they didn't care about in what stream he was trained. So he didn't know much about machine learning. When he got the project, he learned about machine learning, and then he applied those things onto the project. So yeah, that is the thing. They don't really care about what you know, what you don't. But if you are a lateral hire, like you have 1 or 2 year of experience, or even if you are fresher and you are applying, but if you are a fresher and if you are applying from the outside, you will probably go to their training, and then you will be assigned some production unit. So it doesn't really matter. But if you are someone with 1 or 2 years of experience and you will directly go to the project, that time, yes, they will ask you some of the machine learning questions, and it will be relatively easier as compared to other product based companies. So yeah, that is my answer for this question. I hope that makes sense. And now let's move on to the next question. Many people taking applied AI course, do you think they are able to give job to all of the students? So again, the answer is yes and no. They don't actually have to give job to all the students. They only have to give job to those students who will be able to complete the applied AI course. And sorry, and in my opinion, if you are someone who is able to complete applied AI course, all the assignments, all the lecture videos with proper understanding, and at the end you will surely be having a good portfolio. With those many hours of effort and that portfolio that you have built during the applied AI course, you don't actually need applied AI course help. The course content is so much better, and the quality of the assignments are actually very good. So once you do all those things, you will be self-sufficient to get job on your own. So applied AI course, they just schedule interviews for you to the companies, and if you are able to crack that interview, you will be hired. But if you are someone who is not able to complete the Applied AI course, they won't schedule any interview for you. But in my opinion, if you are able to complete 25 to 27 assignments, you can apply on your own outside Applied AI course, and most probably you will be able to crack the interviews. So yeah, the answer is yes and no. I hope that helps. So yeah, these were the questions that I had for today, and I hope these questions were helpful, and this video gave you some insights, and it was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and also comment if you have some questions. But before commenting your question, I would suggest you go ahead and watch all the FAQ videos. And if I haven't answered your question, you can post your post your questions in the comment section. I will add those questions in the next video. And as I said, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Also, you can download data science notes. I have completed it, and link will be in the description. Also, you can join Telegram group. So yeah, see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye.